Hi, welcome to the online PGDM program at Jaipuria Institute of Management. What we have is most of the online programs started to begin after the COVID-19, epidemic or pandemic. That's what they call it. So most of the online programs happened after the pandemic. Now we also took the dive, and since we have a regular program which has been running for quite some, we decided we also do take the dive into the online postgraduate diploma space. This is an online postgraduate diploma in management, which will help you in your careers. So most of the time, a little bit of experience is fantastic. But even if you don't have an experience, the exposure of a management education comes handy when you apply for jobs and things like that. But the most important thing about an online PGDM program or any PGDM program, for example, is your ability to communicate very well, ability to articulate who you are as a person, ability to solve problems, take decisions, and snap decisions, understand why data is used in business, understand why artificial intelligence can be used in business and how it is used in business. So all these are the elements which we cover. And most importantly, critical thinking. We don't really think deeply about most of the matters, especially when it comes to business and things like that. We regularly read newspapers and things. We don't ask the question why this thing happens, why stock market goes down, why economy fails, why economy goes up or anything. So in PGDM program, what happens is you get that perspective and that critical thinking comes in. So we have subjects like economics and marketing and operations and HR and business analytics, and it's all savvy. But the essence is when you listen to such savvy stuff, you're thinking, oh my God, I'm going to learn all these things and it's going to be really cool. But the essence is you need to put your brain also into the play where you start critically thinking about all these subjects. These subjects are used to solve problems, to take decisions, to make your critical thinking better, so that you can articulate all these things. Remember, communication is fantastic to know. It's not about English. हिंदी में बोल लो तब भी ठीक है, क्योंकि हम तो इंडिया के हैं, तो हिंदी में बोल लो तब भी ठीक है. लेकिन द एसेंस इज इफ़ यू नो हाउ टू आर्टिकुलेट, मतलब अच्छी तरह समझा पा रहे हो जो आपने सीखा, जिस तरीके से क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग किया, जिस तरीके से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग किया, तो आप कम्युनिकेशन में भी अच्छे हो. तो कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब अंग्रेजी नहीं होती. सो we try to believe in that and we try to emphasize on that in our postgraduate program. So please understand, this is the essence of any postgraduate diploma, and we try to make a massive impetus on this aspect while we conduct our online postgraduate diploma in management. The faculty for the regular program of Jaipuria, as I told you, the old program which has been running for such a long time, the same regular faculty are the ones who teach in the postgraduate diploma program, which makes you important because you are on an online space and learning from the regular faculty who teach the regular PGDM students, which is an extremely rigorous and vigorous exercise here in the campus. So even in the online space, we use the same faculty. In terms of placements, when you look at it, what we do is we give you support for placements. You guys are mostly experienced and we love the fact that you're experienced. But as I told you before, if you have the skills of problem solving, decision making, articulating those things, guess what happens? Your ability to get to a job or crack a play interview and things like that become better, because if you have improved yourself, every industry would love to have people like you who solve problems. So from a placement perspective, support will be given to you. How it materializes beyond that, that's up to you, obviously. Thank you very much.